All right, these are the elevators here at the Renaissance Hotel in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. This is the first Renaissance Hotel that just opened up in Wisconsin. And look what we got. We got some KONE MonoSpaces. See which one we get. This one here is like the service elevator, because this one has a rear door. These two are just the regular. And we got this one. Let's go to 12. Here we go. Here up at 12. Nothing really much up here. Let's go down to 2. Get our cab view. Ooh. These run very well. I love the cabs on these. Look at this. I like the way there's an animal in the back of the elevator. This is a really cool cab, not gonna lie. One of the nicest KONEs I've ever been on in a hotel. Share indicator, cases 570 buttons. 2,500 pound capacity. Send this one up. We'll get another one. There goes that one. We'll get a different one. These two are on the same controller. They're all on the same controller, especially the one on the wall. We got this one. Sorry about that. I just gotta roll my sleeve a little bit. The buttons are over here. We'll stand all the way in the back. Here back at 12.
Going down.
We'll go back down to 2. I gotta say, for some KONE MonoSpaces that were installed, like I think it was last year, they run very well. They're a bit fast too, especially for 12 floors, but 13 actually, because there's a basement. And these were actually the complete replacements of the old elevators that was when this was a South Tower of Mayfair offices. They used to have like, let me send you up. They used to have like these modded KONEs with like the innovation buttons and the scrolling dot matrix indicator. Now I'm gonna try to get this elevator because this is a really interesting one. I'm gonna try to get this elevator. And yes, it's right here, first try. See, this one is the rear door one. But look at these buttons. Looks like these are Innovation Premier. It's got a different indicator too. Here at 12. Oh, going down?
Yeah, thank you.
Which one are you going to? 1?
8.
8? Okay. Let's see, 8 right there. I'm gonna go down to 1. Okay, you're welcome. Have a good one. We're gonna end down at 1. Dang you. Wow, interesting shaft noises. That's, yeah. Didn't really sound good, but I don't know what is that noise. What are those shaft noises are there for? I think they turn off the voice on this one. Turn off the voice on this one. All right. Yeah, this is a really interesting one. This one might be serve as a service elevator because it has a rear door. All right, that'll be it.